Karma Guy here. Check out this 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan Passenger SXT with 66,000 miles, dealer service history, and handicap equipment. It's priced to sell due to a GA rebuilt title, but it's passed the GA state safety inspection and drives great. Save over $10,000 on this dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. You can also add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price and ask about a lifetime warranty upgrade. We're all about transparency. Recent computer scans show no issues, and it's past GA state emissions. Remember, this is a CPO vehicle. Discounts may affect the warranty. We encourage pre-purchase inspections.